Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned on. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.